Konnichiwa, aspiring real estate warriors. Welcome back to the Real Estate Dojo, your sanctuary for mastering the art of real estate investing. I am your sensei, the real estate sensei, and today we're cracking the code to one of the most crucial numbers in your investor arsenal, ARV, or after repair value. But before we dive into the world of ARV, let me pose a question that'll tickle your financial neurons. What's the ultimate ninja move in real estate financing? Drop your insights in the comments below. I'm eager to see the wisdom brewing in our growing community. ARV, my young Padawans, is like the master key to unlocking the true potential of a property. Today, let's dissect the enigma that is ARV and shed light on the steps to calculate it. Step 1. Understanding the current market value. The first step in our ARV quest is understanding the current market value of your property. Think of it as deciphering the ancient scrolls of the real estate market. This knowledge forms the foundation for your ARV calculations. Share with me, how do you stay attuned to the ever-changing whispers of the real estate market? Your strategies might just inspire others. Comment below. Step 2. Identifying necessary repairs and renovations. The second step. Identifying necessary repairs and renovations. It's like equipping yourself with the right weapons before entering a battle. Know what your property needs and you'll be well prepared for the investment journey. What repairs or renovations have surprised you in your real estate adventures? Share your battle scars in the comments. Step 3. Consulting the wise ones, real estate comparables. The third step, consulting the wise ones, also known as real estate comparables or comps. These are properties similar to yours that have recently sold. Their wisdom guides you in estimating the potential value of your renovated property. Have you ever discovered a gem of wisdom in real estate comps? Share your experiences in the comments. Step 4. The ARV formula unveiled. And now, my eager disciples, the grand finale, unveiling the ARV formula. Drumroll, please. ARV equals current market value plus the value of renovations. Simple yet potent, like a well-executed martial arts move. How do you refine your ARV calculations? Share your formulaic wisdom in the comments and let's learn from each other. While ARV is a powerful ally, it comes with its own set of traps. Let me guide you through avoiding the common pitfalls. Pitfall 1. Overestimating renovation costs. The first pitfall. Overestimating renovation costs. It's like trying to catch a falling star. Sometimes you might reach too far. Always have a realistic estimation of your renovation expenses to avoid stumbling in the dark. How do you ensure your renovation estimates are on point? Share your guiding stars in the comments. Pitfall 2. Ignoring market trends. The second pitfall. Ignoring market trends. It's like sailing against the current. You might end up lost. Stay vigilant to the winds of change in the real estate market. They'll guide you safely to your destination. What market trends have influenced your ARV decisions? Let's navigate together in the comments. And there you have it, my future real estate maestros, ARV, the secret weapon in your investor arsenal. This is just one step in our ongoing series on the numbers every investor must know. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for our next lesson. Your real estate sensei is here to illuminate your path through the shadows of real estate investing. Until next time, may your ARV calculations be precise and your investments be as prosperous as a cherry blossom in full bloom. Arigato.